Hey there, it's Tom Corson-Knowles, #1 best-selling author of Email Marketing Mastery and founder of TCK Publishing. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to skyrocket your sales online using email marketing. First, I want you to know I'm not talking about spam, right? We are not talking about sending spam emails here. Absolutely not. Sending spam emails is definitely unethical and it's also illegal in most countries, so don't even think about trying it. I'm talking about sending legitimate, useful information to people who have asked you to send them emails. This is called opting in. When you send highly relevant, useful information to people who have opted in to learn more from you and your business, you can create a highly profitable, legal, and sustainable business. Did you know that automated email messages average 70.5% higher open rates and 152% higher click-through rates than business as usual marketing messages like direct mail? That's because email is more convenient and faster to use for your potential customers and clients. Think about how much longer it takes you to open a letter from someone than it does to open an email. Heck, you don't have to be a genius to know that convenience and speed is a very, very powerful marketing tool. That's why fast food chains like McDonald's are so popular and bring in billions of dollars in revenue every year, right? It's definitely not because they sell the best hamburger in the world. You see, when you start automating your email marketing like a professional, you'll be able to sell a lot more on autopilot because you're making what you offer to customers and how you offer it more convenient and easy for them to use, to consume, and to take action on. Whether you sell books, information products, physical products, or even a service, email marketing is the #1 most powerful and cost-effective online marketing tool that exists today. There's nothing else like it. But don't just take my word for it. A study from McKinsey found that email is 40 times more effective at acquiring new customers than Facebook or Twitter. That means if you're only earning $1,000 a month from social media marketing right now, you could start earning as much as $40,000 in revenue each month using email marketing with very little additional investment. That's how much more powerful email marketing is than social media. Not only can email marketing help you bring a ton of new customers to your business, but another study found that email subscribers are 3 times more likely to share your content via social media than visitors from other sources. That means if you're already using social media marketing, just by adding email marketing, you can dramatically improve your results with social media. But that's not all. According to a study by the Direct Marketing Association, email marketing has an average ROI, return on investment, of 3,800%. That means for every $1 you spend on email marketing, you're earning $39 in revenue on average. That return is astronomical. Now, these aren't just some big hyped up numbers being thrown around to impress you. This is real data from real business owners, entrepreneurs, and authors just like you and me. You see, the plain and simple truth is that email marketing is one of the most profitable marketing strategies ever invented by human beings. But even though email marketing is so profitable, many business owners and authors still haven't even started to use email marketing. And for many business owners who do use email marketing, they're missing out on the 5 key elements your email marketing campaigns must have in order to achieve maximum results and get that 3,800% return on investment. That's why I created my Email Marketing Mastery video training course. Email Marketing Mastery is a step-by-step video training course that will show you everything you need to become a very successful email marketer. Here's just a small taste of what you'll learn in the course. You're going to learn how to start automating your email marketing for free or very low cost using a very powerful automated email marketing tool. You're going to learn how to get your first 1,000 highly targeted opt-in email subscribers in just a few weeks, even if you don't have a website yet. You're going to learn how to build high-quality landing pages and squeeze pages that will increase your opt-in conversions from the average 1 to 3% to over 30 to 40%. And by the way, it's great if you have a website, you can build these landing pages on your existing website, but you don't need one. So if you don't even have a website yet, you can still use this strategy and it won't even cost you a dime and dramatically increase your email conversions. I'm also going to share with you templates you can use as models to create your own highly profitable automated email marketing campaigns. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel and you don't have to come up with all the new answers and solutions on your own. And I'm going to share with you much, much more in the course. Email Marketing Mastery is a high-end membership program with step-by-step training videos to show you exactly how to use email marketing like a professional, even if you have absolutely no technical experience or expertise. But after having thousands of students go through the course, I've heard from many experienced email marketers who found a few key ingredients that help them get even better results with their email marketing. So whether you're brand new or already have thousands of email subscribers, Email Marketing Mastery can help you get started and get better results. So let's talk about how you can get started. I've seen similar email marketing training programs sell for as much as $1,999. And I'm sure you'll agree that that just might be a very fair price to pay to learn everything you need to know to start building a powerful automated email marketing system that averages a 3,800% return on investment. If you could turn one marketing dollar into $39 in revenue, that's just a no-brainer. But you see, I actually use the systems and tools I teach in this course, and I earn a huge portion of my business revenue directly from email marketing. That means I don't need to charge you thousands of dollars to teach you how to become an email marketing master in order to earn a very nice profit for myself. Call me sentimental, but I actually think the world would be a better place if more great business owners, authors, artists, and creative people like you were using email marketing the right way to educate their customers, to build relationships, and to add massive amounts of value to the people who look up to you and look to you for advice. In this busy, crazy modern world we live in, email marketing allows you to really connect with millions of people and change lives with your products, your services, and your information. That's why it's only a one-time payment of $167 for access to Email Marketing Mastery with lifetime updates. If you're ready to get started with email marketing the right way to grow your business, click the Get Access Now button below this video to get started. When you invest in Email Marketing Mastery right now, you'll have access to the most up-to-date training and information you need to get started and build your first 10,000 email subscribers and beyond. We also offer a 60-day no questions asked guarantee. If for any reason at all you feel like Email Marketing Mastery isn't a good fit for you right now, just email us within 60 days and we'll refund your full purchase price right away. No problem, no questions asked. Whenever I make an investment in my business, I want to make sure it's going to pay off, and I want that same certainty for you. That's the reason why we offer a generous, no questions asked, 60-day money-back guarantee. So go ahead and click the Get Access Now button below this video to get started. If you're still not sure that Email Marketing Mastery provides everything you need to make this work for you, just listen to what some of my students have been saying. William Erosh wrote, "Great series on email marketing for newbies like me. I learned a tremendous amount in an area that I found rather intimidating while having almost no knowledge going in. Now I am confident that I can accomplish my goals in both my book writing and consulting business." Professor Paulo Andrade wrote, "This course has a lot of great info and Tom is very good at teaching. He sounds nice and really interested in helping. I also think the course is very well organized. I really recommend the course if you want to build a high quality email list." And then he wrote the same thing in Spanish. Marty wrote, "I really enjoyed this superb course. Tom is a relaxed and confident instructor who knows his subject well. He uses a no-nonsense approach to course delivery that's not distracting, without any extra thrills and annoying graphics flying everywhere. I particularly enjoyed the bonus lectures too. I really feel as if I learned a great deal. I highly recommend this engaging course." Mark Ray wrote, "I've long been a student of email marketing and I'm not bad at it if I can be so bold. Both my open rates, email open rates, and CTR, click-through rates, are 3 times the industry average and reader engagement is really strong. But going through this course, I see so many ways to improve my email strategy, so many concepts that I hadn't fully grasped before, so many opportunities to quit winging it and be really purposeful with my email marketing. This course is a fantastic resource from a true boots-on-the-ground expert. Highly recommended for entrepreneurs, marketers, and anyone who uses email marketing to make things happen. Now, maybe you're not sure email marketing will work in your market. And trust me, this works in every market because people anywhere in the world all want good information and education, no matter where you are, or what you sell, or what you do. So if you're ready to get started with absolutely no risk with our 60-day, no questions asked guarantee, just click the Get Access Now button below this video. I am so excited for you to start using Email Marketing Mastery to learn how to grow your business by creating massive value for your audience. I'll see you inside the course. Have an incredible day. Talk soon.